Right, okay, hello, good morning and welcome to Phil's workshop. Right, we've still got all sorts of things going around inside my head. I've still got a table over there to finish off for the wife, but we have a new project on. Now then, a few weeks ago I went to Makers Central along with the rest, with a lot of yourselves that went there. Quite a few of you I met, which is absolutely fantastic. But unfortunately I couldn't give out any stickers because I'd been let down and hadn't got any. But that's by the by, I've still got to sort that out. But while I was there I purchased a tool. Now then, I've been on about doing this unboxing, so we're just going to do an unboxing, but what I've got to do is I've got to make an actual stand for it to go in. Because, believe it or not, looking at it while I was actually there, it didn't look that big. But, by gum, now it's actually been delivered, it's bigger than what I thought it was. But anyway, that is what we've got. It's the Triton spindle sander, but this is different than the other ones that I've seen everybody else has got. Everybody else has got like a short, dumpy, fat one. This is humongous. So if I turn you round just a little bit. Now, I do apologise for any sudden movements. Now, I'm not going to flop around too much because, as I say, I haven't yet built its stand for it all go in. So first off, when we open the box up, we've got the instruction book that I've just shown you. Second off, we've got all the little bits and pieces that go with it. We've got the obligatory sanders, which there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. 4 of them have got the actual rubbers already on the inside of them, and 1 of them hasn't, which is like with the standard one that you've got. We've then got on top of here, we've got 2 pieces which I've got to fit onto it. One, as you can see, is for storing the actual bobbins, and the other one, which you could probably make out there, I'm not too certain. I know I've left them in the plastic because I'm not ready to fit them yet. This one is to house all the bits and bobs that go underneath it. So, and what do we class as being bits and bobs? Right, first of all, I'll put that over there. We've got all the discs that go in. Now, as you can see from there, we've got the standard ones with a normal standard hole in. But this one's totally different. This one is a bit quirky because it comes with, if I can get, I don't really want to open them, but I will do. These come with ones like so. where there are actually, by the looks of things, is the lip slotted. That's because on this one that I've had, the actual table, instead of just part of it tilting, the whole table from the centre tilts. So it still leaves the spindle upright, but the actual table tilts. So when you've got that in, and on the flat with the spindle sticking through, same like so, when you actually tilt the bed, the spindle stays in the upright position. Excuse the Gorilla Glue bottle. Stays in the upright position, whereby the actual plate of it follows the contour of the main plate that's around it. So you get this sloped effect on the guard. And then you've got, of course, you've got the conventional ones, which then obviously go round, little nibs in at the ends which lock in to either side. So that's the other bits of plastic. Now I don't know if it's going to work out for me, but I'd seen everybody with the standard one and I thought, oh, I don't want to be the same as everybody else. I want to be different. Now that might just be my downfall. Time will tell. Now of course the other thing that you get as well is obviously the same as with everything else. You get a load of washers to compress the rubber on the inside, therefore giving you the fact that the rubber on the inside, once it is compressed, it expands out and just grips it, somewhat like a woman would say a girdle. When she puts on a good girdle, it pulls all the naughty bits together. Right, okay, so that's that bit. Now I haven't fetched this out yet. And that hopefully if I bring that camera this way, yeah, there you go, sorry about that movement, and there you go, you can now see it. In all its glory. So what have we got on here? Good grief, I hate them. It's the UK EU plug, but it is what it is. Port at the rear for the suction. Quite a large port actually, compared to most things. You're looking at external of about 50mm, and internal you're looking at somewhere around about 48. If I turn it around on there. Now at the sides you can see here, those are where those plastic pieces will sit, that will actually hold the bits and bobs so as you don't lose them. The table is very sturdy. Sometimes you can get it with some tools, whereby you get these tables, and these tables are made out of tin, and they're very flimsy. This one, I must say, I think is cast. and it feels very solid. Obviously, with it being new, I might have to set this up and check to make sure it's square to the bobbin, but it already has been pre-set, so I don't know. On the other side, you've got two of these. If I take you for a little walk as gently as I can, people, there you can see a knob, or I would have hoped you could. You might be able to see it once it's featured. And then if I go around the other side, you can actually see the one on the other side there, as you can see. And you get a gradiated scale, which gives you an idea of what angle that you are actually moving your table at. So if I bring it back again now, nice and steady. Now if I slacken these off, and now you can actually see that how much that's at 90, and you can see now as I bring it down how much table, if I bring that up, you can see there how much that table actually moves. So that's at 90, and that brings it all the way down to its maximum.